the one trend that we saw across many sectors is that some sense of what we could call down trading. People prefer to move down to budget brands or lower the down the price spectrum. I mean, I looked at your numbers as well, and it seems like Aristocrat and Sky bags, which are lower priced items compared to VIP, but they seem to have done or seem to account for a very large or increasingly large proportion of your overall revenues. Would you say that this is a growing trend, the budget brands actually accounting for a very lion's share of your revenues?
The move towards the value brand started more with the GST. GST was a great enabler for us because it reduced the level of taxation, which was very, very high on all manufactured products and all branded products, because there was a large excise duty. Then the sales tax was very high. In some cities like Bombay, the octroi duty was still existing at 4%. And all this was cascading. Like the octroi duty is on our selling price plus the excise plus the VAT at that time. So GST subsumed everything at a rate of 18%. And even with 18%, we got some input credit set off. So our net taxation would be about 10%. Of course, the further tax at the retail level, and in our case, the retail margins are quite high. But all in all, it was a very good move for the organized industry and for the country as a whole. But that also migrated a lot of sales from the unorganized sector to the organized sector. And the unorganized sector is in the value brand. So the value brand segment increased. During the pandemic, what happened was there was a big impact on the premium brands, because they sold in all the malls and in the upper end stores, which were all virtually closed in the first year of the pandemic, and there was a gradual revival in the second year. So all these two factors combined has increased the value sector, and our sales have now sort of comprised 25%. Now they comprise 35% of our total revenue. The value brands, our Aristocrat brand, from 25% earlier. So there is a great move. But now I think as the big stores come back and all, and as our premium brands increase, I think we'll try and increase the sales there also. But I think they might sort of come to about between 30 and 35%.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.